Hey, what's up, guys? This is Abhinav here. iPhone 16 and 16 Pro are the first iPhones that are built for Apple Intelligence. They have the new action button. The Pro model can now record 4K 120 FPS, Dolby Vision video, or slow motion. With 4 mics, the Pro has the thinnest borders and largest display ever in an iPhone. The Pro comes in 4 different colors: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, desert titanium. New iPhones come with the new A18 chipset lineup, new 48 megapixel ultra wide camera for wide angle and macro shots on the Pro. 12 megapixel ultra wide on base model comes in 5 colors: ultramarine, teal, pink, white, and black. There is grade 5 titanium in Pro. Apple Intelligence on these iPhones has writing tools which can proofread the text and rewrite different versions and summarize selected text. This is available in third party apps also. We can generate a summary of audio recordings and transcripts in Notes or phone app, priority messages in mail, and priority notifications. We can make Genmoji in the keyboard, create images with Image Playground app. With Cleanup tool in Photos app, you can remove objects from the image. Siri now knows your personal context and helps you even better. Richer language understanding for even more natural communication with Siri. Siri can give step-by-step instructions about anything that happens on the iPhone. With the new dedicated action button, you can click to launch the camera, click again to take a photo. In video mode, click to start recording. A light press opens the controls like zoom. With a double light press, you can select another camera setting and slide to adjust that setting. With the audio mix feature, you can adjust the voice in video with options like in-frame, studio, and cinematic effects. New 5x telephoto camera on the Pro and 2x on the iPhone 16. With new photographic styles, you can change the look of your photo. The new A18 Pro chipset has 16-core neural engine, new 6-core CPU and GPU on the Pro, and 5-core on the iPhone 16. Nearly 20% increase in the total system memory bandwidth on the Pro. New Pro has up to 15% faster CPU as compared to the iPhone 15 Pro. 30% faster than iPhone 15 in case of iPhone 16, 20% faster GPU for the Pro, 40% faster than iPhone 15 in case of the iPhone 16. With the new game mode and 2 times faster ray tracing, the gaming performance is improved. Up to 4 hours more battery life on the Pro and 50% charge in 30 minutes. New iPhones come with new iOS 18 with new home screen customization, control panel customization, new photos and message app features, crash detection. You can mirror iPhone screen to the Mac. You can take a group photo with Apple Watch as a viewfinder. Those are pretty much every new hardware and software feature on the new iPhones. Thanks for watching.